welcome to the Kitchen Gypsy. Today we're going to make one simple recipe that can be made into many other things. And so we're making homemade healthy sour cream. So we're just going to take, and it's very simple, it's 2 ingredients, just yogurt, Greek yogurt. Make sure it's plain, that it doesn't have any other flavors in with it. Let me grab a spoon. This is not all coming up. So now we have our yogurt in here, and we're gonna take vinegar. We're gonna use we've got about 1.5 cups in here of yogurt. So for every cup, you wanna use a full lid of the vinegar. So there goes 1, and we're gonna put another half.
Can you use other types of vinegar, or do you have to use?
It's best with distilled white vinegar. You can use other vinegars for other flavors, depending. But if you want just a basic sour cream that you can use for many other things, then you're best going with the distilled vinegar. And then we're just gonna take that and mix it. And you do want to taste it to make sure you're on point. Yeah, that's good. So now we're gonna take this very sour cream that we just made, and we're gonna make blue cheese. Give it 2 scoops, and I already have blue cheese crumbled in here. I have the Amish blue cheese, and so just take that, mix it up, and you have homemade blue cheese.
Dressing, you mean?
You can add more.
Or a dip?
It would be, this is more for a dip, like if you're gonna eat hot wings or something. But you can always add olive oil and make it a little bit thinner so that you can use it as salad dressing. But for today, we're just showing the blue cheese dip. And I got 1 ingredient, I'm sorry. And for the French onion, you're just gonna use chopped onions that are dried, and I would say about 1/2 pack of bouillon. And once again, let's take about 2 scoops. And we're gonna mix that up. It. Also, take the same, add 2 scoops. Let's give it 1 more, just for good measure. And mix this up, and it's just relish with the sour cream. And all you have to do is open up a can of albacore tuna. And you do want to drain the tuna, so I'm going to drain that real quick. And I use albacore tuna because it's a lot healthier than the other tuna. And I use the one that's in water. I don't get the ones that are made in oil. So no need for mayonnaise. So if you like your tuna sandwiches or tuna salads, here you go. You have a nice healthy tuna salad. And voila, 3 recipes out of 1.